You don't need a gym membership, special equipment, or even a lot of time. Here are a few simple exercises you can do almost anywhere there is a bench. So here are a few basic ideas for leg work. Hold on to the bench and start squatting. Make sure you're sitting slightly back, yet always check if the bench is attached. Otherwise, you can pull too much and fall back. So just be a little bit mindful of that. Okay, another thing for the legs we can do is a single leg squat. You can start with leg up and lunge back. Of course, if you have knee issues, either do a small lunge or just keep your leg down, hand on a bench, and just little lunges down work just fine. Or add the big lunge with a lift. If you want to add a balance, be my guest. See how easy? Awesome. Repeat. How many you do it? Guys, it's up to you. All right. Another thing we can do here is push-ups. Again, start small. Make sure bench is nice and solid. It's not going to go anywhere. Shoulders steady. Elbows in. Targets the front of the shoulder, arm, and chest. We can also do elbows out, slightly different version. All right. At the end, add a stretch of a leg. This feels fantastic on the hamstring. Don't forget to change the leg and stretch out. Another stretch you can do here for the legs, if the bench is this high, is take your leg out, rotate it, and stretch it laterally. All right, let's go see what we can do in the front of the bench. All right, let's go ahead and see what we can do at the front of the bench. So first thing, we can continue with the arms and do a couple of tricep dips. Keeping your shoulders down, go as slow or as fast as you like. You can always lift at this. There we go. All right, let's see what else. We can do some abs, leaning back and up. This is more of an easier version. Or you can always do both legs. Nice and tight. Good job. All right, well, voila. And you can take your leg down and give it a quad stretch. This is optional. Remember, exercise doesn't always have to happen in the gym. Sometimes the best workout is the one that's right in front of you. The next time you see a bench on your walk, stop for a few minutes and move your body. Those small moments of movement add up over time. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll share more simple ways to stay strong and active wherever life takes you.